Do you have ripe plantain or unripe plantain? Whichever one you have, don't worry, I got your back. Let me show you how to prepare this delicious meal that your family will not resist to have a taste. Stay tuned. So lovelies, to begin, all you need is your fish, your fresh fish, whichever fish you decide to use. It will still go well with this recipe. As for me, I'm using mackerel fish, 2 mackerel fish. Okay guys, just proceed by washing your fish, any fish you are using. Just make sure it is well cleaned. As you can see, I washed mine with salt and a little apple vinegar. Whichever way you want to wash your fish, it doesn't matter. Just make sure your fish is well cleaned. Okay guys, so keep watching. So lovelies, at this stage I'm done cleaning up the fish. Next is to go ahead and start washing all the fruit veggies. So keep watching. At this stage, I'm going to be washing my onions, and I'm using 2 large onions for this recipe. So please guys, do not forget your onions. Okay, keep watching. So guys, at this stage I'm going to proceed by blending all the veggies with my Ninja blender. Guys, this blender is something else. If you don't have this blender, you are missing out. This blender doesn't disappoint. Okwa akpo aza. For my Igbo people, you know what I mean. Guys, this blender, I bought it new. A friend of mine introduced it to me, and since I've been using it, it's awesome. I did not add water when blending it. I just added all my veggies inside the blender and select the mix program, and everything just blends so well. As you can see guys, this blender is very good. If you don't have it in your house, believe me, you are missing. Honestly, I was supposed to do a review on this blender. So guys, at this stage I will go ahead and proceed by frying the veggies, and this is the first veggies that I blend. The veggies are still remaining. I will repeat the same process. As you can see, I'm adding in onions right now, my fresh onions, to blend everything together, and I added some bay leaves. It's optional, but I added it for this recipe. Okay guys, so as you can see how the blender is blending all the veggies so well. Honestly, I did not know why I unboxed this blender without making a video. Like seriously guys, I don't know what happened. I can't really remember or explain it. I was supposed to make a review on this blender. It comes 3-in-1, like very strong. This is 1000 watts. Okay, it's very strong. So at this stage I will go ahead and add my ginger and garlic paste. Next is to add in my chili powder. Okay guys, at this stage I will go ahead and add some black pepper. It's also optional, and a little bit of curry powder. Feel free to remove anyone you don't want. At this stage, just go ahead and add any seasonings of your choice, and I'm going in with some Maggi Seasonings. I'm using Maggi chicken and Maggi cow browns. Okay guys, and a little Benny spice, salt to taste, and give it a good mix. Just fry the veggies for up to 5 minutes. I didn't fry these veggies so long. I fried it about 3 to 5 minutes, and yeah, it's ready. Okay guys, just season very well. So here is the plantains I'm going to use for the recipe. As you can see, it's not that ripe. You can also use very ripe one, or the one that is not even so ripe, and you are good to go. You can even use yam depending on your choice. Whichever one you preferred, you are good to go. So go ahead and pour the sauce inside the fish with the plantain. Just pour as many as you want. Okay, After then, go ahead, massage it, like give it a good massage. Let the whole sauce marinate inside, like guys, romance it. So just feel free to apply it very well on the body and inside the fish. Apply it everywhere. As you can see, I make sure all the sauce entered inside the fish very well with the plantain. Yeah, and you are good to go. Okay guys, before I forget, if today is your first time seeing my video or watching my video, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I welcome you on Mama WhatsApp channel. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, so do me a favor by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning in. So my lovelies, at this stage, all you just need to do is to transfer it in your oven to grill, and you are good to go. So tell me, lovelies, are you gonna try this recipe? Will you give it a try? A trial will convince you. And guys, if you notice, I use 2 ovens, and this oven, the small one, is ready because it's faster. So, and my children can't wait to have a taste. Honestly, everybody, we are just running in the kitchen. Mommy, the smell is something else. The smell is awesome. My whole house is smelling so yummy. Guys, this recipe is giving, like seriously giving. The taste is delicious. You can see the outcome of it. So yummy. Oh my goodness. In fact, let me tell you a secret. After I prepared this recipe, the next day, my children was begging me to prepare this recipe again, which I have to do it for them the next day. After I've prepared this one, that's to show you the outcome of it, like they really enjoyed it. So guys, believe me, if you try this recipe, you will come and thank me later. The taste is yummy, delicious. It's so tasty that your family cannot resist it. Your children will not resist it. Your husband will not resist it. Nobody will resist it, as far as I'm concerned. So healthy, so delicious, so yummy. The outcome is something else. As you can see, I'm just serving everybody, and my daughter is around the corner waiting already to take her food. Okay guys, here is me serving my own. So tell me, will you give this recipe a try? Will you try this recipe? Just tell me what you think about this recipe. Drop it at the comment section down below. Guys, after I finish serving my own, I have to step it down with some red wine, because this meal, you cannot enjoy it without a glass of wine. I cannot come and kill myself. So I decided to serve myself a glass of wine just to chill myself down after preparing this kind of delicious meal. You can see the outcome of it, looking so yummy, sugary, lekker. Okay, my lovelies, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. And if you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.